Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a smart relay-based circuit and talk about its strengths and weaknesses from a designer's point of view. This circuit is built around a 12-volt 5-pin relay with COM, NO, and NC contacts. By combining a relay coil, a resistor, and an electrolytic capacitor, we can create a controlled delay and safe switching behavior. The 33-ohm resistor limits the current through the relay coil and protects it from sudden inrush current. The 33 microfarad capacitor stores energy and creates a short delay during relay activation or release. The delay time mainly depends on the RC time constant. Time constant, tau, equals R times C. To calculate current, we use Ohm's law. Current formula is I equals V divided by R. This helps us estimate the current flowing through the relay coil and resistor. One major advantage is electrical isolation between AC and DC sides using the relay. Because it uses a mechanical relay, switching speed is limited. It is not suitable for precision or industrial-grade applications. The response speed is slower compared to solid-state solutions. Power consumption is higher because the relay coil must stay energized. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next project.